Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows DNS probe finished no internet error. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center, click Connected Internet Adapter. Click Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Run commands one by one. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.